Pickleball and Quilting. One's fast-paced, strategic, and wildly addictive, and the other is Pickleball.
Wait, Quilting doesn't have dinks, but it does have precision piecing.
And instead of volleys, we've got ruler work, block design, showdowns, and color combos that smack.
Both take finesse, good footwork, and a really solid backhand on your rotary cutter.
But only one lets you stay home in pajama pants and win prizes.
Quilt Fusion is the ultimate matchup. Live virtual presentations, expert instructors, breakout sessions, lifetime access, and a swag bag that slays.
You even get entered to win over $1,400 in giveaways just for showing up live. No sweatbands required.
So whether you're crushing it in the kitchen or cutting fabric on the baseline, you'll score big at Quilt Fusion.